Hello, for today's video, I'm gonna make a simple and easy to cook shrimps recipe. And here, I prepared already a partially cooked and peeled shrimps, cooking oil, 6 cloves of garlic, 2 halves of lemon, and a few fresh cilantro leaves, a teaspoon of garlic powder, and a teaspoon of salt. And now, let's get started. Now let's turn on the gas. In our pan, let's put a tablespoon of cooking oil. Adjust our fire into medium heat. Now once the oil is already hot, let's add our prepared garlic. Fry a little bit, and then let's add our partially cooked shrimp. Mix a little bit and add our seasoning. Mix it gradually, and now let's add our cilantro leaves. Avoid overcook the shrimp since it's already partially cooked to not become tough and to have a yummy and juicy and tender shrimps. And now let's add our prepared squeezed lemon. Let it boil a little bit. Once it's boiled, turn off the gas, and our delicious and tender and juicy shrimps recipe is ready to serve. Now let's serve in our serving plate. It's easy to cook, for only it takes less than 3 minutes. Smells so good.